Is your car suddenly jerking, slipping gears, or trapped in limp mode? Let us figure out why. You might be dealing with the P2722 trouble code. This code pops up when your powertrain control module, which is essentially your car's main computer, detects a general malfunction with the transmission pressure control solenoid. Automatic transmissions use a sophisticated system of bands, clutches, and fluid pressure to shift gears at the exact right moment. The solenoids act like valves, directing the pressurized transmission fluid to the correct hydraulic circuits. When solenoid E is not working right, your vehicle cannot control that pressure. This leads to some very noticeable symptoms. You might feel the transmission slipping when it tries to shift, the transmission might overheat, or the car could unexpectedly catch in gear. You will probably also see a drop in fuel economy, notice misfire-like symptoms, and of course, your check engine light will turn on. The severity of this issue starts as moderate, but can quickly ruin your transmission if you ignore it. So what causes this? The most common culprits are dirty or contaminated transmission fluid, a clogged transmission filter, or a defective pressure control solenoid. Sometimes, it is a bad transmission pump, a faulty valve body, restricted hydraulic passages, or just damaged wiring and corroded connectors. To fix this, start with the basics. Check your transmission fluid level and look closely at its condition. If the fluid is dark and smells burnt, changing the fluid and the filter is your very first step. Also, do a visual inspection of the wiring harness going to the transmission for any obvious damage. If new fluid and a wiring check do not solve the problem, or if you need to use a digital multimeter to test voltage and continuity on the solenoids, it is time to take your car to a professional mechanic. Transmissions are highly complex, and throwing parts at it can get incredibly expensive. Get a pro to do the advanced pressure tests. Thanks for watching, and drive safely out there.